guys, we got a big day today. We are rolling out about 7:30. We got a pool we're gonna build. Putting a pool right here. So we're gonna go get the machines now and start digging. 21-foot round. This is the overdig line. This is the actual pool wall. So I'm gonna have to dig this all out. We gotta dig an electrical trench. Got some work to do ahead of us, so let's get going. First step is we're finding grade where we're gonna be digging to. We usually go off the lowest point. That's what Ryan's finding. We got the sod cut, so we're gonna start dragging the sod out, digging it out. David's unloading the tanks over there with the machine. So we'll get this thing going. Doing good here. We got it all rough graded. He's just taking out the high spots real quick. And we're gonna hit the base of the packer. I gotta work on this area. We gotta get this stockpile out. I gotta get the dump truck back here with the material for the base. We hit literally every single irrigation line. Customer's probably not gonna be too happy, but it is what it is. They all ran under the pool. There's 3 here, the other side's over there, and there's 1 over here. It is what it is. You can't prevent that, but they have to come out either way. You can't have those under a pool. Guys, a little update what's been going on. Hopefully getting this thing done today. It's gonna be a late night, but it's about 2:30 right now. We're gonna work till we get this damn thing done. So we have no time on the schedule to move things to. So this is a 2-day project and we're trying to get it done in 1. But pool's dug. All the material that was over there we brought over there with the skid steer. Now we're bringing in the base material for the base. We're gonna do a fine grade real quick and then pack it and then check it all and put bricks. Evening update. It's 5 o'clock. Late day, but it is what it is. Electrical trench is run halfway. We got the base done, bricks done. Bricks, when I say bricks, I mean basically support bricks that go underneath the panels. They're all leveled. Rough grade's done. Panels going up. And then we're shooting to get this thing up and liner in tonight. That's the plan. It's 5 o'clock now, so still gonna come back here tomorrow and do a lot of stuff, but going for it. It's 7 o'clock and we're doing the liner. Gave the guys the option and we're gonna get it done. So we have the tanks. Got those.
Thank you very much.
Nice joke. You got a nice sunburn.
I know, I can feel it.
File a workers' comp claim. There's a quick overhead view of the operation. David's out there with the tanks. We have about 700 gallons of water. We're pumping it in. Ryan's working the wrinkles. Got the vacuum pulling the liner tight. So the pool's up. We gotta finish the electrical trench tomorrow. All this sand here is gonna go in the trench. The trench is gonna come out over to here. We're gonna get the filter system set up. We're gonna continue the electrical trench. This is an extra project, but we're gonna dig the trench out. They wanna put power out to that shed. So while we have the machines here, we're gonna dig the trench even further for them, for the electrician. So all this sand's gonna go in the trench. We'll probably use some to backfill the pool. But Guys pushed hard today. It's almost 7:30 at night. We'll be out of here hopefully before 8, but we got this thing done. A 1-day install. All right, time to go home. It is pretty much 8 o'clock. What a day, what a day. Got it done though. And it's after 8 o'clock now. Actually, it's 7:59. This is the latest half these guys have worked in a long time, and I appreciate it big time. I really do. It means a lot. This is the final product. The electrician's got to come and do the electrical, but we got the trench dug for him. We got sand in the trench. He's got to come run the bond and ground wire around and run the electrical into this trench. And we got to get 2 more hoses. For some reason, typical Hayward pool products, we're missing the hoses for this, so we just had to go to our supplier and get 2 of them. But that's why we switched from Hayward to G&D this year, because they do stuff like that. But anyways, this one's built. Great pool. I'm very impressed with these things. These things are so sturdy, it's not even funny. Look at this. You can't do that to an above ground pool. You'd put your fist through it. This thing is indestructible. So this is called an Ecotherm pool or Radiant pool. Basically the same company. Awesome pools. These things are insulated walls. Not your typical above ground pool. This thing will last you a lifetime. It's not a piece of crap like the regular above grounds. We used to install the regular above grounds, so we're no longer doing them. We're going to be doing these for the rest of time. These things are awesome. But basically, you guys saw we were digging. We hit the irrigation lines. They all ran under the pool, but it is what it is. We're going to have to figure that out later on. We're going to backfill this once the electrician's done. So we do got to come back here and clean all this up at some point. But for now, pool's done. Water's coming next week. They're backed up. They can't get here for a while. So, but I am very happy with this. I'll show you the trench. A lot of roots, as you can see. Tons of roots. But we dug this trench all the way back to there. So they're running power out there. That was an extra project. They're running power to the shed. So figure we have the machine, we can do it for them. So cleaned up all of our mess back here. Machine's loaded. We just got to get the skid steer on. So they're strapping that down, but all in all, went well. Can't complain.